Question number 11. A metallic sphere cools from 50 degree to 40 degree in 300 seconds. If atmospheric temperature around is 20 degree, then the sphere's temperature after the next 5 minutes would be close to option first is 35 centigrades or 31 centigrades, 33 centigrades or 28 centigrades. So this is a basically a problem of kinetic energy, sorry, thermodynamics. So to find the temperature, as we know that in kinetic energy, change in temperature upon change in temperature linearly is equal to K into Tf, and that is temperature final plus temperature initial by 2 minus T naught. So we would simply put the values which we have been given, that is 50 minus 40 upon 300 is equal to K into 90 by 2 minus 20. So now in this we would basically find the equation which would be in terms of k. Now we would now after that we would convert it into terms of t, so which would be equal to 1 by 40 minus t is equal to 5 by t. From this we simply find the value of t, which would be 33 degrees centigrades.